Hello everyone, this is Sucharita. I am from NTR Educational Institutions and Excel Academy. I take up environment and current affairs. Today our topic is Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species. So firstly, we need to have some idea regarding what are these migratory species. So migratory species are those which travel from one area to another, or they migrate from one continent to another. Here the important thing is sometimes they migrate for thousands of kilometers or thousands of miles also. So here the important thing we have is we need to protect their migratory route also, because they face lot of problems once they start migrating from one continent to another. So there are different problems faced by species when they migrate. So it can be like habitat destruction in few cases. Sometimes they may see changes in landscape where it may not be suitable for them to survive in those conditions, or sometimes they may face problems related to nesting, sometimes they may face problems related to food, etc. So these are few challenges or problems faced by these migratory species once they start migrating from one area to another. Usually these migratory species travel from one area to another mainly in search of food, or maybe because of seasonal changes, or maybe because of weather changes. So anything it can be. Usually in search of these things they'll be migrating, sometimes because of sunlight. All these things will matter whenever they migrate, and these are the problems they face in their route while they start their journey from their origin till they reach their destination. So why we need to protect these migratory species? So important thing is migratory species, we have a lot of advantages. First thing is they help in pollination. Sometimes they help in pest control. In few cases they have some economic advantage also, mainly because sometimes they act as tourist attractions. So whenever any area is having some tourist attraction, automatically local people will have some economic benefits, some jobs will be created. So it is like a generation of employment and livelihood opportunities for local people living in these areas. So automatically these are the or economic advantage mainly help in growing our economy also. So in one way they help local people, and at the same time help in our economic growth also indirectly. So after having all these advantages of migratory species, so it is always important to protect these migratory species, just like any of our guests coming to our home. So here this convention takes care of all these activities. So mainly this is international cooperation. So this convention was signed in 1979 in a place called Bonn in Germany. That is the reason why this convention on conservation of migratory species is also called as Bonn Convention. So both are used synonymously, Bonn Convention or Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species. And India's case, India became party to this convention in 1983, and this is for the first time India became host of this convention in 2020. Okay, and it will remain host for next 3 years. Coming to the theme which we have created for this convention, mainly India came out with a theme which is having some historical connection with our past. So mainly if you take our tradition, India follows some tradition called Atithi Devo Bhava. So which is like we welcome our guests with lot of honor, lot of gesture, everything will be involved. So here theme also will be the same, like migratory species connect our planet and we welcome them home. So we treat these migratory species just like our guests, happily welcoming them and providing all the facilities whatever is required for their conservation and for their stay in our country. And one more important thing, especially in examination point of view, is this CMS protects especially migratory species which are facing some extinction, or they're having some threat related to their existence. So they maintain a list which consists of all these migratory species which are having some threat of extinction. And this year in 2020, in this convention, From India's side also, we have added some 3 species to the list. So first one is Asian elephant. Second species we have added is Bengal florican, and third species is Great Indian bustard. So these are the 3 species which are added from India's side. So out of these 3, Bengal florican and Great Indian bustard, they are critically endangered as per IUCN list, and Asian elephant is endangered according to IUCN list. So these are the important things we have related to Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.